Welcome to part 4 of our data migration series. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import your finance accounts, such as checking, savings, credit cards, and more, into COR using the Finance Import view. Follow along by visiting our website's tutorial section for a link to the sample files used in this tutorial. To begin, set skip lines to 2. This skips the 2 header rows in the sample file. Select the binocular icon, choose Open CSV XLS file, and open Finance Account CSV. This example uses a CSV file with a consistent structure, making pairing easy. The Finance Import view works a little differently from the other import screens. It includes a finance account name list on the right, a pairing table in the center, and your chart of accounts tree on the left. Every finance account you import must be paired with a corresponding chart of account. Now we'll pair the import file columns to correct finance account attributes. Account name, select the column name. Account number, select the column reference number. Opening balance, leave unpaired in this example. When you select the name column, you'll see your finance account names appear on the right. The chart of accounts tree appears on the left, and the center table is where each finance account is matched to its chart category. To pair an account, simply select a chart of account on the left. Then select the finance account name on the right. The combination appears in the center pairing table. You can start by pairing your credit card accounts or any finance account included in your file. This example demonstrates credit card accounts, but the process is the same for all finance account types. When all pairings are complete, select the Create icon. Your new finance accounts will appear in the left panel. Review the records to make sure they match your expectations. When everything looks correct, select the Save icon to finalize the import. One final reminder, all finance accounts are imported as banking type by default. After importing, you can adjust each account's type, such as credit card, from the correct finance view. And that completes the finance accounts import. In the next tutorial, we'll cover importing invoices. Thanks for joining me.